Well, the freezing rain goes to all rain getting into the nighttime hours tonight after a little ice accumulation, especially in the north, and rain ends as snow and a wind-driven snow at that later tomorrow with howling winds from the west-northwest, and more storm systems mean more rain, more ice, more snow down the road. Speaking of ice, the freezing line is laid up right in the heart of the viewing area right now. So a little light freezing drizzle, freezing rain around Lafayette and Attica, and some freezing rain here in our northern counties as well, from Logansport all the way to Rensselaer, Winamac, and around Brookston. But it's all rain and drizzle at Crawfordsville and Frankfort, and that line will keep working northward through the evening and night. But the center of the storm is back here. So we've got all this to get through before we dry out, and eventually, again, this will all end as snow. Now tonight, Lafayette, Attica, and northward up towards Rensselaer and Monticello, a little very light minor ice accumulation is possible before it changes to rain. The bigger ice accumulations, maybe a tenth to a quarter of an inch, are going to be up around Rochester, Peru, Denver, north of Logansport, all towards Burnettsville and up towards the Winamac area. This area may see some decent ice accumulation. And then snowfall late tomorrow evening, tomorrow night, 1 to 2 inches area wide, and that's going to blow around everywhere with strong winds. Check out the wind gusts. Again, this is going to help whisk away a lot of the fog. Tonight, increasing to up around 30, 35 miles an hour at times, and then it diminishes for a while tomorrow morning with some fog, and then it cranks back up tomorrow afternoon as the cold front comes in. Some of these gusts will exceed 40 or 45 miles an hour at times tomorrow evening and tomorrow night. So that snow will blow around everywhere and still pretty windy into early Wednesday morning as well. And wind chills will be dropping too after running in the 20s and 30s tomorrow. We're going to drop to near zero tomorrow night. There's 11:30 tomorrow night. Notice by early Wednesday morning, right around zero as temperatures tank. There's your rain coming in tonight. By 2:30 in the morning, thankfully the freezing line finally getting north of the viewing area, then fog with a break early tomorrow morning. Then rain comes back in, and then notice late afternoon, evening, snow in the area, and wind-driven snow at that. And some snow showers even lingering into tomorrow night before it changes, just a few flurries Wednesday morning. And then another storm system with rain to ice to snow on Thursday and Friday with a lot of wind, and then perhaps some snow late in the weekend. Drizzle and fog 38 by tomorrow morning, and then rain and breezy at 1:40 before it changes to snow. Howling winds at 5 p.m. with 31 degrees. Finally for Wednesday, flurries in the morning, then just mostly cloudy. 31 for the high after wind chills, single digits in the morning. It's an active forecast, 7-day. Hey, normal's 38, 43 Thursday, 35, but then falling on Friday and a cold weekend ahead.
All right, another beauty on that 7-day for us.
It's got everything.